Again.
Hi everyone, and po tayo brand new iPad 11 Gen, Approve home credit, new client, din ni si ma'am, then 5,000 lay down. Ma'am, alay tag-unboxing ma'am. Brand new iPad 11 Gen, Approve home credit, new client. Yes ma'am. Yes. Sa imong masulti ma'am, nag-America down ma'am sa home credit.
Happy. Kaya may rock na down.
Congrats ma'am.
Thank you.
Please speak as well. Wala lang to ma'am. Silver ni no?
Ngayon.
Silver mo?
Feel ng kanan.
Wow. Wow. iPad 11 Gen, silver. Yun lang ma'am.
Taas, ma'am.
Ikaw na po sunod ma'am.
Okay.
Kay 3 to 4 months, pwede naman takaw pero balik.
So,
Asa daw
regulate.
lang na iPad eh. Itsuras na iPad.
Hello.
Wow, congrats.